This is an IDEAL StripMaster. It's a wire stripper. I have had this for almost 40 years. And when it was given to me, all I did as a bratty little kid at family gatherings was do that and annoy everybody. But that's what you do as a little kid. If you notice, you see how it's sticking? Want to fix that up. Definitely needs a little bit of servicing. Now, you can replace these blades. They actually sell replacement blades, and you can see the different wire gauges that you could strip with this. I've stripped all kinds of stuff with this way above what it says, and it just works. It's kind of an ingenious design where when you squeeze it, it goes to hold the wire down first, then it lowers the guillotine over here, and then goes apart to strip the wire, and that's it. But what I did, just as a preventative thing, was to go ahead and tighten down. It's got some screws here, but they're kind of old and they're flat blade, and it's a little pokey there. So let's see if we could grind that off. I'm going to try this thing. This is the Kajector cordless rotary tool. I do not have a video of that because this was a buy it and you could have it kind of thing. I know it's dinky and underpowered, but hey, we'll give it a shot. I'm going to try that one, I guess. I don't know what the difference is between them. And it's got your thing. Loosen that up. Put that in. Tighten it down. And then you can turn it on. It's got 5 speeds, all of which are pretty much useless because it has no torque whatsoever, but we'll see. I do have a little tiny one from Harbor Freight that actually plugs in, and it's fairly useless. So let's go to speed 2 maybe, and there's just a pokey bit there. Oh wow! That worked really, really nice. Impressive. Let's see if it'll clean this up a little bit. Get a little more speed into her. Pretty good. A little better than it was. Not too bad. It's real gunky. But it worked. Let me try a little more. That worked a lot better than I thought it would. Wow, that's pretty nifty right there. I guess while we're at it, you know, I'll do this part off camera. Pretty nifty indeed. Wow, I'm actually quite impressed by this thing. Too bad they didn't want a review. I could have done that for it. Oh well. Well, now you got one. So don't buy it. It's junk. If you want a rotary tool, or a Dremel as they're colloquially called, buy a real one that plugs in. There's no comparison. So now that grinding bit is blackened for life, but hey, it's there. And that worked out actually pretty good. And I think that goes, well, let's do that. Go there, okay? So I'll make sure to forget to charge that so it won't be ready for next time. The battery will be dead anyway. Okay, so we have to oil this, and basically all we're going to do is oil everything. Okay? Just everything. This part sticks here where it clamps down on the wire. See? We're going to get out the blue can over here. Good old 3-in-1. Good for just about friggin' everything. And we're going to go just a bit. Nice and easy. Let that work in a second. I think it needs just a little drop more up here. I think it has a film. It may not be perfect. Like I said, this thing is 40 years old. Definitely is freeing up, but we have other joints that can be earled, such as in here. There's a pivot in there. We'll just give it a schmeg on that. There you go. That freed up nicely. And this side, kind of the same thing. We'll get the guillotine down. Give that a nice amount right there. Oh, it's like butter. And of course we'll do the rest here. A little bit on that. Pivot in there. And squeeze it. Give that a little bit. That should be good. And let's wipe it up real good. That. I think I oiled this once years ago. I don't remember when. It's been a very long time. Very, very long time. And you saw how it really was not doing the trick. You know what I mean? Yeah, I mean, it worked, but it was getting a little... Let's see if it sticks now. Nope, it works like brand new. Pretty nice. Pretty nice indeed. So with a little care and maintenance of your tools, they can really last a long time. Like I said, this thing is almost 40 years old. Or at least I've owned it for almost 40 years. And a little worse for wear here and there, but we cleaned her up a little bit. And that's it. It all works fantastic now. In fact, I'm not used to it working this good. I'm really not used to it working this good. Wow. That is really something. That is moving so nicely now. Gorgeous. That was a huge success. Anyway, that's all I got for you. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. What do you mean you want to see it work? It's just going to strip wires. Jeez. Stick that in. I don't know, maybe there. Seems good. That's it. That's all there is to it. It worked butter smooth. Try this end. Butter smooth. Just as it should.